without words. Mountains of silence between us. You said it was not a great love, that's all. We don't have nothing more to be shared. I have to say to me, it cost a lot to be without you. While I was looking for you, no more answers on the phone. You cut me on and let me down. Meeting you by chance. Where are you going, Robbie? I recognize you have changed a little. Thank God there's a return to life, sometimes a necessity. I learned to forget now. I know how to do it. Thank God I got out of it. From that vortex incredible, thank God that I met her. She saved me and I'm still here. I had to change myself. It was not easy. Stop calling you and don't look for you anymore. Losing you, you were far away from me, too far away from me. Thank God that the sun always go back to shine, and life gives me another new day to live. Sailing toward the horizon, I go to infinity without you. I realize that I am still full of you. I realize that I am still full of desire.